what we've got here is a wheel from a 1985, I think, Katana. Pop-up headlight one. Super cool. Our wheels are a little bit tired. So what we're going to do, we're going to sort of go through all of the stages of essentially trying to get it, I want it to look like a really well looked after original wheel. First stage, we've got to clean it, which is going to be fun, and I'm going to get covered in mess. So what we're going to use, this stuff, alcohol based surface cleaner. Thankfully, all the stuff that was running off the other side's been soaking this, so this should actually come up quite considerably quicker with a bit of luck. It's getting there. It's coffee time. I think we are pretty much there. We've gone sort of as far as we can with the brushes and stuff. So what we're going to do is start essentially keying the paint up. We don't want to go through the paint, because then I'll be down to bare aluminium, and then I'll be into etch priming and rubbing back and top coating, and then I'll lose all of the texture in the sort of bare casting, which I want to try and keep, because that's how it would have left the factory or something. So we're just going to go over all of the painted areas with 1000 pad. So, I've sprayed it, gun wash and thinners, and just tried to get as much crap off it as possible. So we're going to start off a little foam block, 240 grip on the foam block, and just sort of work our way around the outside. Whole wheel is 240, so I'm going to repeat the process with 500. Back onto the thousands. The wheel's going to get grubby and grubbier, but we can just give that a quick clean at the end. Time for some polish. That stuff. Going through some grades of paper does make the final polish relatively easy. So it's now time to mask it. Gold base coat, which we're going to spray on quite lightly. We don't want a thick coat. We're going over gold anyway. Do a very light lacquer over the top just to make it easier to clean. I'm just going to use a 1K lacquer for that. It should all be fine. I hope the video wasn't too boring, and I kind of hope it's encouraging people to have a go, because that's not looking too bad. Don't roll off the desk. Stay, 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 stay. And as if by budget, we got a pair.